If you have warm clothing nearby, put it on. Do not bring any luggage.
Thank goodness I have the hygge cappuccino. Yeah.
So basically what you do is you just do like this, and of course our beautiful staff already pre-arranged the towels and the pillow and everything. Should I do this one for the Okay. So basically,
I'll help out with this one.
Shush, Captain Smith.
Okay, sure.
Okay, and just like this.
Wow.
I don't know how you're gonna get.
Oh, you have protector.
I think.
That's very important indeed.
And the other one then.
Is there a ladder here? I don't know.
How do you climb there?
I think you have to jump.
No. It's like high jump.
Yes.
It says leave the door open, get to full speed and jump.
No,
behind the mirror.
That's not the mirror. The mirror is over there.
Okay, and the other one. Can you also check the other one?
Do it again.
To see how much space there will be.
Now behind the mirror. The mirror is there. Okay. Cool.
This one good too, yeah?
Yes, very good.
Okay.
A lot of space above the room. Yes, bunk bed. It's like at school.
I think you need to basically using this. What do I say?
No. It has a ladder behind the mirror.
Here it is.
No.
Oh, there is a ladder.
I bring the ladder.
Oh yeah. Oh, good.
Of course, Captain Smith will bring the ladder. And
Captain Smith. Nice job.
It's done like
yeah, cool. We also have a TV.
Yes.
We have these power sockets, a chair for you can write your memoirs or a novel or anything like whatever you like, and also some storage space, and also we have a bathroom.
Yeah, this is White Star Line experience. The bathroom is very good. Let me show you.
Yeah, give us a tour of the bathroom.
The bathroom, very comfortable. Toilet.
Toilet, very good.
You can see shower, adjustable height. So if you can shower from the neck down or just from the waist down.
Yes.
There is a Lux conditioning shampoo and shower gel.
There is a small rack here, this one. Lots of toilet paper to take back home. Cool.
And sink with hot and cold water, and also soap.
Excellent.
2 in 1.
Excellent. Very happy with the room for the same price.
Very clean. The linen. Have you shown
if you
the linen is very clean?
If you need to compare this to the Titanic 1, 2 and 3, first to third class, how do you think it will compare? Is it between first and second class?
Okay, well, I think I would put it down as fourth class, unfortunately, since the Titanic third class did have mahogany as part of the wood frames.
Okay, so if this is fourth class, then the hygge
lounge.
lounge.
The hygge lounge really depends. If the person has been assigned to a hygge lounge recliner, that is unfortunately 6th class. In order to be assigned to a higher class, you would have to sleep on the hygge lounge floor. That is 5th class.
5th class, yes. Okay, cool.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Second-Hand. I'd like to ask all vehicle drivers parked on decks 3, 5 and 7 to please now attend to your vehicles. Please be aware of any obstructions of the front when returning to the car deck and to the cars moving within the vicinity. Please remain in your vehicles and do not start your engines until requested to do so. I'd like to remind all foot passengers to please remain seated, staying clear of all exit doors until further announcements are made before you go to embarkation. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for travelling with STENA. We wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you and good morning.